Here's our problem. No windshield. It's time to put a windshield in here. The windshield on the 68 Plymouth goes in a channel across the side and the top, but on the bottom it just sits down in this groove. Here's the gasket I'm going to be using from Precision. You can see here the bottom part, it just glues right down to the bottom. Here are the tools I'll be using. I'm going to, instead of roping the gasket in, unless I change my mind or I need to, this is what I was going to use. I bought this tool from Precision as well. Same place I got the windshield gasket from. But what I'm planning to do is use 3M 08609 to put the gasket onto the car first, then set the windshield down in the bottom channel and use these plastic tools to pull the lip up around the windshield. That's my first idea. To hold the windshield, I got this part off of Amazon. It's just simple suction cups that you pump up. They're supposed to have a little red indicator to let you know when the suction's losing, so you can suck them a little bit more. Just help me move the windshield into place. Don't know how well they're going to work yet, but we'll see. Before I get to work on it, I'm going to use this diamond fast powder system. I think I did a video before, but basically you take this powder and you add a little water to it. You put this on your drill and you use it to polish the windshield out. So I'll clean the windshield up with that. Also, I need to get the windshield wipers off. And for that, I use this little tool. Just going to grab it and pry it off from the back side to help me get the windshield wipers off, because I hate getting the windshield wipers off these old cars. This trim here will have a screwdriver, or a screw, I'm sorry, Phillips on the inside of both doors. Remove that. Once you remove the Phillips, it's got clips in there. You just pry them up. This one's missing most of them. You have those, then you pull that off. These here are rusted out because of the vinyl top, but you just get behind the clips and pull the clips to get those out. I did a video on that with the rear window. Now I'm just going to take the razor blade around the edge of the sill and cut it off of there. I'm going to try to clean up the surface of this one while it's on the car instead of the bench, I think. Unless it gives me too much trouble, then I'll pull it first. Quick note in regards to the windows and windshields. So in the 60s, or at least the 68 Plymouth Fury, they came with a green tint or clear. So the green tint, I believe, was if it was not air conditioned, and the clear was if it was. I could be backwards, I'm not sure. I've got sets of both. So I'm deciding to go with the clear one here. And the only windshield I have pulled is green tinted, and I don't want the green tinted. That's why I'm pulling this windshield, because it's clear. And it's in decent shape. It's got some fog down at the bottom corners that more than likely is between the laminate, I'm not sure. But I can't find a reproduction of them, so I'm going to go with this one if I can get it out and get it in without breaking it. Wish me luck. Alright, now that she's clean, I'll make a little paste with my window restoration kit. Make a little paste. Start spreading it around. This stuff does make a mess, by the way. Of course, the pool noodle trick here. Put some pool noodles on your body stand here. I like to put a little tape on mine to keep them from spinning around so easy. That was the one stubborn glass, but she's out now. I can start working my razor around and getting this off. Get these stickers off. Clean up the back side like I did the front side. Let's see what we're left with. Plan is to glue the gasket in, and make the windshield on top, pull it around the windshield, and then glue the windshield down on top. After the windshield these broken around the outside here, but they just set down the bottom channel, so it was very important in there. This is easy. I fear that my product is not the right product because it is giving me trouble. It's okay. Perseverance. We're going to keep going. This time let's preset some tape. Be a little smarter about it. I thought this was going to be a problem. This gasket's a little narrow. It's going to need to stretch some once I get the windshield set down. I'm going to try to set the windshield in this groove and then work my way around. That's the goal, at least. I'm having a hard time getting this thing to stay in place though. Front windshield is in. I still need to do a bead up and under the gasket here. So what I'll do, I've got this pushed up here. I'll lift it and stick the caulk up and under, then press it back over and then clean up any residue left behind. But hey, hard part's over. Okay, to recap, the 3M 08609. I wasn't a fan. I don't know, hopefully it's a good product. It's squished in there pretty good, but cleaning it up is a motherfucker. I can't get it off my hands for nothing. I've been using acetone. I cleaned up the edges as best I could. I also squished a lot out because, you know, I'm going for use versus looks. I don't want this thing leaking and whistling on me going down the road. Process went pretty smooth. Take your time, go slow. It worked out. I would have more than one of the tool I was using, and I would have more than one can of this. That way I could have some on both sides. I would preset some tape when I'm putting my gasket up. Just a few minor changes I would do. Other than that though, I can't complain. It went pretty smooth. I didn't think it was gonna go that smooth. No cracks, no issues. Don't beat the crap out the window. If you're having to beat it too much, something's wrong. So you don't want to be doing that.